Many investors overcomplicate their journey by constantly trying to pick the next big winner. And more often than not, that leads to losses, frustration, and even losing confidence in investing altogether. But SCHK offers a simple solution. This ETF gives you exposure to 1,000 of the largest U.S. companies in one fund at a very low cost. Instead of guessing, smart investors are turning to SCHK to capture broad market growth without stress and complexity. So today, let's break down how this ETF works and why it could be a powerful addition to a long-term portfolio. Part 1. What is SCHK? SCHK is a passive ETF that tracks the Schwab 1000 index, which includes the 1,000 largest publicly traded companies in the United States across multiple sectors. The goal of this ETF is to give investors exposure not only to large-cap stocks, but also to mid-cap companies, providing a more complete picture of the U.S. stock market. This approach allows investors to benefit from the stability of large, established companies, while also capturing the growth potential of mid-cap stocks, helping drive stronger long-term compounding. Part 2. Key characteristics. SCHK stands for the Schwab 1000 Index ETF, and as of this video, it manages around $4.7 billion in assets under management. It comes with a very low expense ratio of just 0.03%, helping investors avoid unnecessary fees that can eat into long-term returns. The fund also offers a dividend yield of around 1.25%, paid quarterly, adding a layer of income on top of its growth focus. SCHK covers approximately 90% or more of the total U.S. stock market capitalization, making it a powerful tool for broad U.S. diversification, allowing investors to ride today's winners while also holding future market leaders. Part 3. Top holdings. SCHK holds many of the largest and most profitable companies in the U.S., including names like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, Alphabet, and Meta platforms. These are companies whose products and services we use every single day, helping reinforce their strength and dominance. Many of them also own powerful technologies and intellectual property that keep them at the top of their industries, making them key drivers of market growth. Part 4. Performance. Because SCHK tracks a broad mix of large and mid-cap companies, its performance reflects the overall strength of the U.S. stock market. Since inception, SCHK has delivered average annual returns of around 14% and is up over 21% in the last 3 years. Over time, this kind of diversified exposure has historically produced strong and consistent returns. However, like any equity ETF, it can still experience volatility during market downturns. Part 5. Why invest in SCHK? Many investors add SCHK to their portfolios for several key reasons. First, it provides broad diversification across 1,000 U.S. companies. Second, it offers low costs, helping maximize long-term returns. And third, it delivers a strong balance between the stability of large-cap stocks and the growth potential of mid-cap companies, which can drive greater long-term results. Part 6. Real-world example. If you invest $100 per week into SCHK over the next 30 years, and it continued to deliver returns similar to its historical average of around 14%, that portfolio could grow to over $1.7 million. If this video helped you understand SCHK, don't forget to like and subscribe for more ETF breakdowns and investing content.